Okay, good day, guys. Good day to you all. Welcome back to the Formula Sports channel. Thanks for being here. The support is much appreciated. A gentle reminder, as always, to please like the video and subscribe to the channel, as it is a free way to support the channel. So, guys, I am a bit excited right now. I am a bit excited. By the way, for those who are usually familiar with my channel, I've touched on a little bit of track and field, but I haven't really gone in depth into it as I should, because I am a lover of track and field, as most Jamaicans are. So I definitely need to get on that and do more track and field content. And the season has been heating up for a while now. So, we definitely need to get into more track and field. But guys, I am a little bit excited, man, when I saw that run from Shelly today, man, in the Doha Diamond League. I am so excited, man, guys. 10-8-4, right? The queen is back. I mean, we shouldn't even say the queen is back, because the queen didn't go anywhere, right? The queen was always here. But yeah, you guys know what I mean. It's not so far. The start of the season hasn't been all that convincing. I mean, we know what Shelly can do, and we know what Shelly will eventually do. But so far this season, it hasn't been, the best start. I mean, she ran the other day in the Gateshead Diamond League meet and did an 11-5-1, season's best, right? So, we were not worrying, but especially, what's the crazy thing about it? I think some people are getting a little bit anxious, because this Sha'Carri Richardson girl, man, is just, trust me, man, she's going hard. She's going really, really hard, the Sha'Carri Richardson girl, man. Right, and I think many Jamaicans especially were dying to see a response from one of our girls, right? Either from Shelly or from Elaine, right? Like a real serious response, right? I mean, we have seen and we know what they can do, but a really serious response this season, right? And Shelly delivered that today, right? Settled all the nerves, right? Settled all the nerves. So now Sha'Carri knows that coming up at the Olympic Games, man, it's no joke. I mean, she would have known it before, but she definitely knows it now. Shelly would have lost to Sha'Carri in the Gateshead Diamond League, right? But Sha'Carri finished second in that race, right? Sha'Carri finished second in that race, ran 11:44, right? And she was beaten by Asha Smith, the Brit, who won in 11:35, right? And Shelly came fourth in that race, 11:51. It wasn't the best of conditions, so obviously that contributed to the times being a bit slow. But still, Shelly did come fourth, and she the start, especially in that race for Shelly, wasn't, it wasn't vintage Shelly in that race based on the technical aspect of the race. We know Shelly is supreme when it comes to technique, and we know that she can do a lot better than what she did at the Gateshead Diamond League, and she showed that today. She showed that today at Doha, right? I mean, it was just supreme running from Shelly and Fraser Price, man. Technique flawless, right? Just good running from Shelly, man, and she defeated a pretty decent field, right? I was one of those that was, look, this Sha'Carri girl was doing well, right? Earlier on in the season, she was doing well, right? But my whole thing is that, one, the Americans always make a lot of noise in the earlier stages of the season, especially when they're running in the US, right? And they're not as strong when they get to you. I mean, they do put in good performances too when they get to Europe, but especially when they're in America, they're just running lights out, right? Some crazy times, and when they get to Europe, they're not as quick, right? Especially when it gets into the business stage of the season, they're not as quick, right? So I was Yes, we were a little bit concerned about Sha'Carri, but Shelly's tried, tested and proven at this level, and also Elaine. And then you have to remember again rounds and all of that stuff. Sha'Carri has never been through the rounds at an Olympic Games, right? Doesn't have the experience where that is concerned, right? Doesn't have the experience overall of dealing with the Olympic Games. So, you still have to stand up and take notice, but I wasn't too concerned. And this performance from Shelly just calmed me down, man. Really calmed me down, man. It really settled the nerves, man. 1084, a positive 1 meter per second headwind. A bit of a headwind, or rather a tailwind. It's still a good performance nonetheless. 1084 is still a good time nonetheless. So Shelly looks good. Shelly looks good, and we just expect her to keep on improving as the season goes by, or as the season goes along, as the season continues. So guys, I just got so excited, man. I just got up and recorded this video ASAP, man. Crazy, because I was just so happy when I saw the race, man. So hopefully Shelly will just continue to improve going forward. So guys, that's my 2 cents. Shelly winning in the 100 meters in Doha, Qatar today, right? Big deal, and we're very happy to see that. So take care, and until next time.